Now we are going to read the chapter 2, Badal and Moti. Let us read. There was a boy called Badal.
There was a boy called Badal.
He lived with his mother in a village,
He lived with his mother in a village,
and they were very happy.
and they were very happy.
One evening,
One evening,
when Badal was returning from school,
when Badal was returning from school,
he saw a puppy
he saw a puppy
shivering in the cold.
shivering in the cold.
Badal brought him home.
Badal brought him home.
Can this puppy stay with us?
Can this puppy stay with us?
Ma,
Ma,
ask Badal.
asked Badal.
Yes, beta,
Yes, beta,
but only if you promise
but only if you promise
to take care of the puppy,
to take care of the puppy,
said his mother with a smile.
said his mother with a smile.
Badal and his mother named the puppy Moti.
Badal and his mother named the puppy Moti.
As days went by,
As they went by,
Moti grew up
Moti grew up
and loved Badal.
and loved Badal.
They became best friends.
They became best friends.
They ate and played together.
They ate and played together.
Moti followed Badal
Moti followed Badal
wherever he went.
wherever he went.
They played their favorite games together.
They played their favorite games together.
One rainy day,
One rainy day,
while Badal was on his way home from school,
while Badal was on his way home from school,
he slipped on the muddy lane
he slipped on the muddy lane
and fell into a deep pit.
and fell into a deep pit.
He tried hard
He tried hard,
but could not come out of the pit.
but could not come out of the pit.
Badal's mother was worried
Badal's mother was worried
when he did not come home in time.
when he did not come home in time.
Moti too was waiting at the gate.
Moti too was waiting at the gate.
Badal's mother gathered
Badal's mother gathered
the neighbors to help search for him.
the neighbors to help search for him.
Moti too accompanied them.
Moti too accompanied them.
Moti caught Badal's scent.
Moti caught Badal's scent.
He followed the scent
He followed the scent
and went near the pit
and went near it
and started barking.
and started barking.
This alerted the neighbors
This alerted the neighbors
who were searching for Badal.
who were searching for Badal.
They used a rope
They used a rope
to pull Badal out of the pit.
to pull Badal out of the pit.
Everyone was relieved.
Everyone was relieved.
Badal hugged and
Badal hugged and
thanked Moti.
thanked Moti.
Let us think.
Let us think.
A.
A.
Answer the following.
Answer the following.
1.
1.
What did Badal come across
What did Badal come across
by the side of the road?
by the side of the road?
2.
2.
What did Badal and
What did Badal and
his mother name the puppy?
his mother named the puppy?
3.
3.
What did Badal fall into?
What did Badal fall into?
4.
4.
How did Moti find Badal?
How did Moti find Badal?
5.
5.
Write T for true
Write T for true
and F for false.
and F for false.
A.
A.
Badal lived with his grandmother.
Badal lived with his grandmother.
B.
B.
Moti grew up and loved Badal.
Moti grew up and loved Badal.
C.
C.
Badal's mother was worried
Badal's mother was worried
when he did not come home in time.
when he did not come home in time.
D.
G.
Moti caught Badal's photo.
Moti got Badal's photo.
E.
E.
Badal hugged his puppy Moti
Badal hugged his puppy Moti
and thanked him.
and thanked him.
B.
B.
Think and discuss in pairs.
Think and discuss in pairs.
1.
1.
Do you remember
Do you remember
when you fell down last time?
when you fell down last time?
How did you fall?
How did you fall?
Who picked you up?
Who picked you up?
Share your experiences.
Share your experience.
2.
2.
Do you have a pet?
Do you have a pet?
Do you know someone
Do you know someone
who has a pet?
who has a pet?
3.
3.
If you were allowed,
If you were allowed,
To keep any animal as a pet,
To keep an animal as a pet.
which animal would you choose?
Which animal would you choose?
Why?
Why?
Let us learn.
Let us learn.
A.
A.
Look at the following words from the lesson.
Look at the following words from the lesson.
Lived,
Lived,
loved,
loved,
played,
played,
gathered,
gathered,
thanked.
thanked.
Notice that all these words
Notice that all these words
end with id.
end with it.
All these actions have already happened.
All these actions have already happened.
Add ed and write.
And it is right.
Walk plus ed.
Work plus head.
Play,
Play.
talk,
Chop.
ask.
Ask.
Jump plus ed. Jumped,
Jump.
touch.
Touch.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Informally introduce
Informally introduce
the concept of past tense.
the concept of past tense.
Encourage learners
Encourage learners
to recall their actions
to recall their actions
from the previous day.
from the previous day.
B.
B.
Match the words to make pairs.
Match the words to make pairs.
Color each pair with the same color.
Color each pair with the same color.
Two have been done for you.
Two have been done for you.
Paper,
Paper,
chair,
chair,
bat,
bat,
needle,
needle,
lock,
lock,
idli,
idli,
and
and
ball,
ball,
thread,
thread,
key,
key,
pencil,
pencil,
sambar,
shambar,
table.
table.
Let us listen.
Let us listen.
A.
A.
Your teacher will read out
The teacher will read out
the story of Badal and Moti
the story of Badal and Moti
once again to you.
once again to you.
Now read the following sentences
Now read the following sentences
and number them in the sequence of the story.
and number with the sequence of the story.
The first sentence has
The first sentence has
already been marked for you.
already been marked for you.
One rainy day,
One rainy day,
he slipped and fell into a deep pit.
he slipped and fell into a deep pit.
Badal and his mother named the puppy Moti.
Badal and his mother named the puppy Moti.
Badal hugged Moti.
Badal hugged Moti.
Badal came across
Badal came across
a puppy by the side of the road.
a puppy by the side of the road.
Moti accompanied
Moti accompanied
Badal's mother to search for him.
Badal's mother to search for him.
Moti followed Badal's scent and
Moti followed Badal's
went near the pit
went near the pit
and started barking.
and started running.
Let us speak.
Let us speak.
A.
A.
Talk in pairs
Talk in pairs
about what you do every day.
about what you do every day.
1.
1.
Before you come to the school.
Before you come to the school.
2.
2.
During the school hours.
During the school hours.
3.
3.
After going back home.
After going back home.
B.
B.
You may use the following clues.
You may use the following clues.
1.
1.
Every day I
Every day
up at
okay,
in the morning.
in the morning.
Then I
Then I
my teeth
my teeth
and go to the.
and go to the.
After that
After that
I take a
I take a
and dress up for school.
address of the school.
I
I
breakfast and I
breakfast and I
to school.
to school.
2.
2.
3.
3.
Let us write.
Let us write.
A.
A.
Look at the pictures.
Look at the pictures.
They show a story of two friends,
They show a story of two friends,
a pigeon and an ant.
a pigeon and an ant.
But the pictures are jumbled up.
But the pictures are jumbled up.
Number them
Number them
to get the correct order to make a story.
to get the correct order to make a story.
B.
B.
Now fill in the blanks using the words
Now fill in the blanks using the words
in the box to
in the box to
complete the story.
complete the story.
Leaf,
Leaf,
flew,
flew,
branch,
branch,
climbed,
climbed,
fell,
fell,
stream,
stream,
hunter.
hunter.
A dove was resting on a
A dog was resting on
of a tree near a
of a tree near
an ant
an ant
into the stream and cried for help.
into the stream and cried for
The dove dropped her
The dove dropped her
into the stream.
into the stream.
The ant
The ant
on the leaf and landed safely.
on the leaf and landed safely.
Another day the ant saw
Another day ant saw
aiming at the dove.
aiming at the.
She quickly climbed up
She quickly climbed up
and bit the hunter's hand.
and beat the hunter's hand.
The dove,
The dove
away unhurt.
away unhurt.
See,
See,
look at these sentences from the lesson.
look at these sentences from the lesson.
Can this puppy stay with us?
Can this puppy stay with us?
Ma,
Ma,
yes beta,
yes beta,
but only if you promise
but only if you promise
to take care of the puppy.
to take care of the puppy.
Add a question mark
Add a question mark
or a full stop to the following.
or a full stop to the following.
1.
1.
The sun rises in the east.
The sun rises in the east.
2.
2.
What is your name?
What is your name?
3.
3.
I like to eat mangoes.
I like to eat mangoes.
4.
4.
May I borrow your English textbook?
May I borrow your English textbook?
5.
5.
Brinda and Namrata are good friends.
Brinda and Namrata are good friends.
6.
6.
Whose shoes are these?
Whose shoes are these?
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Introduce the terms question
Introduce the terms, questions
and statement
and statement
while explaining.
while explaining.
The punctuation marks.
The punctuation marks.
C.
C.
Complete the following conversation
Complete the following conversations
between the two children.
between two children.
Namaste.
Namaste.
I am Anandi.
I am Anandi.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Namaste.
Namaste.
I am.
I am.
I live in.
I live in.
Where do you?
Where do you?
I live in.
I live in.
I go to school.
I go to school.
Yes.
Yes.
I study in that school too.
I study in that school too.
I am in class.
I am in class.
Which class are you in?
Which class are you in?
I am in class.
I am in class.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
See you in school tomorrow.
See you in school tomorrow.
Let us do.
Let us do.
A.
A.
Look at the picture below.
Look at the picture below.
It shows 3 children playing.
It shows 3 children playing.
Would you like to add anything to this picture?
Would you like to add anything to this picture?
Use your crayons
Use your crayons
or color pencils to add to the picture.
or color pencil to add to the picture.